Get ready for the dictation. Start. Heard Sri Manish Goyal, assisted by Sri Rohan Gupta, counsel for the appellants Sri Ravi Krishna Chandra and Sri Saurabh Srivastav, counsel for the respondents. This intra-court appeal has been filed under Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court rules against the judgment and order of the learned single judge dated 22/2014, passed in Company Appeal Number 2 of 2013, Iqbal Leathers Limited and another versus Messrs Unnao Tanneries Pollution Control Company and others. A preliminary objection has been raised on behalf of the respondents to the present special appeal to the effect that in view of the judgment of the Apex Court in the case of Kamal Kumar Dutt and another versus Ruby General Hospital Limited and others 2006 7 SCC 613, as also in view of the division bench judgment of this court in the case of UP Cement Vetan Bhogi Sahkari Rin Samiti Limited versus official liquidator, the present special appeal would not be maintainable. It is argued that from a simple reading of Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court rules, an appeal against an order of the learned single judge made in exercise of appellate jurisdiction in respect of decree or order made by a court subject to the superintendence of the court would be barred. It is further contended that in view of the amendment introduced by adding Section 100A to the Civil Procedure Code in the year 2002, no further appeal after the order of the learned single judge made in exercise of appellate jurisdiction would be maintainable before the same court. The counsel for the appellants opposed the preliminary objection so made and submitted that the division bench of this court in the case of Prakash Timbers Private Limited versus Srimati Sushma Singla and another AIR 1996 Allahabad 262 has explained that the appeal under Chapter 8 Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court rules would be maintainable inasmuch as the order passed by the Company Law Board cannot be said to be an order made by a court. For this purpose, reliance is placed upon the paragraphs 5, 31 and 32 of the said judgment. Further, reliance has been placed upon the judgment of the Apex Court in the case of Salem Advocates Bar Association versus Union of India, especially para 15 of the judgment. It is lastly contended that Chapter 8 Rule 5 is a special provision and therefore the provision contained in Section 100A of the Civil Procedure Code would not control statutory right to appeal provided for under Chapter 8 Rule 5, as letters patent appeal has been abolished in the state of UP and has been replaced by the provision of special appeal in Chapter 8 Rule 5 of the rules of the court. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and examined the record of the present appeal for appreciating the controversy raised by means of preliminary objection. It is worthwhile to reproduce Chapter 8 Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court rules. An appeal shall lie to the court from a judgment in respect of a decree or order made by a court subject to the superintendence of the court and not being an order made in the exercise of revisional jurisdiction or in the exercise of its power of superintendence or in the exercise of criminal jurisdiction or in the exercise of the jurisdiction conferred by Article 226 or Article 227 of the Constitution in respect of any judgment, order, or award of a tribunal, court, or statutory arbitrator made or purported to be made in the exercise or purported exercise of jurisdiction under any Uttar Pradesh Act or under any central act with respect to any of the matters enumerated in the state list or the concurrent list in the 7th schedule to the Constitution or of the government or any officer or authority made or purported to be made in the exercise or purported exercise of appellate or revisional jurisdiction under any such act of one judge. Stop.